EastEnders viewers left gagging as desperate Shirley Carter rifles through excrement. EastEnders cast members Mick Carter, Danny Dyer, and wife Linda Carter, Kelly Bright, faced losing the Queen Vic after failing to buy it back from Fi Browning, Lisa Faulkner. Admitting defeat, the pub landlords packed up their belongings in preparation to move out of their beloved boozer. However, the Carters were soon given the lifeline they had been waiting for. Alum Halfway Highway, Tony Clay, who has been living with the family ever since he shot Mick, produced a diamond ring he had stashed, which he swiped during the bungled heist. He attempted to give it to Whitney Carter, Shona McCarthy, on their date yesterday night, but was cruelly rejected. Mick spotted the ring on the table and got it appraised. "That was a stupid storyline but it was funny watching Lady D." Twitter user initially believing the diamond sparkler was worth around £20,000, Mick and Linda were shocked to discover it was actually worth a whopping £220,000, enough to buy back the pub. Halfway handed the ring over in exchange for a room at the Queen Vic, and they all celebrated, albeit a little prematurely. The ring flew on the floor and was quickly gobbled up by their pooch, Lady D. Halfway was then forced by Milk of Magnesia so that the dog would pass the ring in time for them to hand it over. EastEnders fans had a mixed reaction to the scene, with some branding it hilarious but others thought it was stupid. "That was a stupid storyline but it was funny watching Lady D," one tweeted. "Who is writing this s? It's truly awful," another viewer asked. A third chimed in, "I can't believe I've just watched a dog guess out a diamond ring to save a pub. This has to be the lowest point of my life." And a fourth quipped, "A £200,000 ring just happens to show up. Literally the worst soap and storyline in history." Shirley Carter, Linda Henry, eventually retrieved the ring from Lady D's rear and gave it a good clean. Fi agreed to accept the sparkler, not knowing it had just been fished from Lady D's butt. The pub celebrated the victory with free-flowing booze and a conga line running down Albert Square. EastEnders returns on Monday night at 8 p.m. on BBC One.